2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, CD player, power windows, MP3 capability, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.